How to change your Spotify payment method. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can change Spotify payment method. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change Spotify payment method, you want to open up Spotify. Now on the application, you won't be able to do so directly, so you want to head into your web browser and log into Spotify on the web. So head into your web browser, there head into spotify.com here. So here I'm on accounts.spotify.com, but what I want to do is I want to head into spotify.com. So once on spotify.com here, you can see open.spotify, not this here. You're going to log into Spotify here and then log in and then view the account overview option. Once on the account overview here, you can see here the option here, scroll down below and you can see payment option. Tap on save payment cards and now you'll be able to remove your previous saved card and add a new card from here. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.